According to the official railway manual, the level of stone of these trucks is 9 millimeters. You'll have to empty some out, Thomas. I can't allow to proceed. Thomas, all the Olympia rules is more important than being on time. Next is Duck. Why? Beep beep, I will along. Ready? We're doing it. There's no sign of the tail lamp. Thank you, sir. Thomas told me to be careful about fish. They got me in the right pickle, didn't they? Rusty. I don't know, but I will soon. Excuse me, but is something wrong? A bluebell engine. Maybe I could find one. Can you help me find another engine? Well, you found Oliver. Yes, I'm looking for a bluebell engine. So that's where I'll go. Right. We'll find one tomorrow. What's that? I'm a shed expecting diesel. Have you seen any engines in the shed? What about the sidings? Then I'll just go inspect. Excuse me, do you like bluebells? Then you're soon going to be seeing a lot of them because I'm getting you out of here. Just down the line. We've done it. We're over the board. Back on railway. Mission accomplished. Troublesome trucks. Faster we go, pull along, don't wanna slow. And check. Oh, another front row like me needs. Welcome to the Solar Construction crew, Nigel. Come on, crew, let's get cracking. Goodness, what a mess. Another day of work finish. Phew.